I'm getting ready for midday and I thought I would just show you a quick tutorial on how I do one of my favorite hairstyles, which is two twists. So I'm gonna start with two pieces at the top of my head right here. I've parted my hair down the middle. So I have two pieces like this and I'm gonna take the back piece and go over like that. I'm gonna take a little bit next, add to that section and bring it back over. Take a little, add to the section. You always add to the back piece right here. Add a little bit more. See what I'm doing? Got a little seed in my hair. And take another piece and just adding to it and gradually getting more and more hair. Slowly adding more. There we go. I get to down there, I make sure each piece has about the same amount, and now I'm going to turn both towards my face and then spin around like this. Towards my face and spin around. Towards my face and spin around. Whoops. And if you have a piece like that, you just smooth it back out. Towards my face, spin around, and so on. Turning both pieces towards your face and taking this piece from behind and going over. All right, and then at the end, you're gonna wanna take a little elastic. Hold that down, and there you go. It's not gonna go anywhere. And now throughout the day it might get a little loose and I'll just take it out and redo it. And then you can pull these little pieces to make it a little bit more fluffy around your face. I'm gonna just do my other side real quick and then I'll show you the final look. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and we'll be twisting your hair soon.